Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to use the beats function in CapCut. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have opened up CapCut on my PC, and you can do the same on your mobile device as well. Well, now what we want to do is add an audio. You can add your own custom audio file by clicking on this import button and select your file and simply click on open. That's one way to do it. Another way you can use the audio files prepared by CapCut is by going to this audio tab, and right here you can see lots of these audio files. You can also search for them. For simplicity, I'm just gonna click and drag this one. Well, that's my audio file. So what I want to do is add beats to this audio file. So here's what we can do. Simply click on the audio file, and on this navbar you will find a flag-like icon. There's something like an auto beat and a match cut. Well, if you want to add auto beat, simply click on this icon. I'm gonna click on it. And now there are two methods like beat 1 and beat 2. It's completely up to you which you want to choose. For simplicity, I'm gonna use beat 1. And for instance, you want to remove the beats. Here's another feature which says remove beats. Shortcut Ctrl+A. Let's click on it. And let's go to another beat. Let's try to remove it as well. Now let's try this function that says clear beats. It's gonna remove all of the beats right here. For instance, you want to add beats on your own accord. Here is this icon that says match cut. It's only a flag. Click on it, and as you can see, a beat has been added. Let's drag another one, and you can see a beat has been added. And that's it guys, that's how you add beats in a CapCut project. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for any queries, do comment below. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.